How to redeem your Skip the Dishes gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will show you how you can redeem your Skip the Dishes gift card. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to redeem our Skip the Dishes gift card, to order something, we'll just go to our browser and then we will just type in SkipTheDishes.com, and after you type in SkipTheDishes.com, you have to put in /gift-cards. So this is the URL, SkipTheDishes.com/gift-cards, and this is the official URL. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box so you can go ahead and then check that out respectively. And once you go to SkipTheDishes.com/gift-cards, over here you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and here at the very bottom you'll find the option called already have a gift card redeem. All you have to do is to simply tap on the redeem button, and when you tap on the redeem button, it will take you to a new page where you have to enter your gift card code, the PIN, and apply it to your balance, and now you can go ahead and shop those products as well. And that's all it takes to redeem your Skip the Dishes gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.